product is good service. Hello boss, this is Darren. Today I'm gonna introduce you an excellent massive data set seeing bus. This is the customized version of our Metro model, demonstrating our excellent customization capabilities. Looking at the large rockets on both sides, each nozzle of them can emit cool laser beams. Multiple lamps has been added on this bus. Just imagine how it cool will be at night. Mechanic shock absorber seats has been on this bus, ensuring the riding experience of every passenger even when the number of passengers increases. The 360-degree surrounding system ensures driving safety. In a word, this is the customized product, but it has the same quality as our mature products. We are Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicle. Do you need an exclusive customized bus? Contact us.